Okay, what we're going to do today is use DeepSound to hide some files inside of a audio clip. In this case, this file here. It's just a standard audio file, and the format it's in is WAV. Okay, the files we're going to hide: grouping of PDF, doc, MOV, EXEs, etc. Just try a bunch of different file types to see how it handles it. So let's begin. First thing we do is run DeepSound, and we're going to go to Settings. Choose Encrypt, and we will put in a password, and we're going to leave the default settings right here. The next thing, as you can see, Add Files and Encode are not available. You have to select the file that you're going to hide the data in, and in this case it's the WAV file we just played. So let's select that, and now as you can see, Add Files and Encode are available, so let's go ahead and add the files. Okay. Alright. And then we're going to encode them. Put them right out in our Documents folder. Replace that file. Alright, and let's see what happens. If anyone has seen the show Mr. Robot, this is the program he used to hide data when it looked like he was making music CDs. So here's the file we just created. Okay, so it still plays. Let's compare that to the other file that we had. Okay, let's do it this way for right now. And we'll look at them in a little more in depth. Okay, so we had 86.5 megs on that file, and the same on this. If we do actually look at the properties for each, okay, they're the same. So that's good. The next thing we would do is show you how to recover them. So I'm just going to close this for 1 second. All right. So now if we want to recover that file, first thing we do is locate it. And actually what I'm going to do first is show you the original. So if we go to this file, I have it saved in a couple of spots. Let's go to this one as well. Okay, we have Add Files and Encode, right? But if we go to the file that we just created, see it asks for a password. So that is actually one way to let you know that if you knew the program, that this was in fact the right one. So let's go ahead and put our password in. And right there you can see the files, okay? If you want to get them out, your next step would be to extract them. So let's go ahead and do that. I believe it is extracting it back to our documents directory where we had those, yes. So that's going to extract them out into the folder that you saved the file. Okay. Only one thing I wanted to go over also. I'm going to open up WinHex here. This is a Hex Editor. I like this. I find it very easy to use. If you don't delete your original file, it's fairly simple with certain things to locate and realize that data is there or a change has been made. Okay. So this is our original file viewed in a Hex Editor, and the file that we created is right here, so we're going to put that in as well. Alright, so we have two files. Let's see, that's documents and desktop. Okay, so that's both files, and if we simply go to View, Synchronize and Compare, you'll see right off the bat all the bytes that were modified, and they're substantial. Go through here, and then this is all the original data, so this would be unmodified. Okay. This demonstrates why you have to delete the original file.